Hey, this is KJ. This is my assignment for 903 in Global Studies. For the assignment, I'm going to have my two little sisters asking me some questions about the class, what I learned in it, what my favorite and least favorite parts of the class are, and some other stuff. So, here you go.
What was your favorite part of the class?
My favorite part of the class was learning about all the different stuff, learning about globalization, which is the trade between different countries, learning about how we affect the world, from how much energy we use to getting our resources, and all other stuff. Even war can affect it.
You have a question, Basil? What's the saddest part of the class?
The saddest part of the class was learning about missing persons. Those are people that say something that the government doesn't like them talking about, so the government will take them away. This is only in some circumstances. And so the people that are close to them have no idea what happened to them. And then the person that was taken away, they don't know what's going to happen to them. And the people that don't know what happened to that person, they're scared.
What do you think the worst part of the class was?
The worst part of the class was for just getting the assignments in. The worst part of that was waiting on my grades, because that took a while sometimes, and it was kind of nerve-wracking, especially if I put a lot of work into an assignment. And then there were some topics that were kind of harsh to me. It's kind of like, whoa. Those were terrorism, things about war, child labor, missing persons.
What was the funniest part of the class?
There wasn't really a funny part of the class. There were some interesting points. There was the culture, which was pretty interesting. I got to learn about a lot of cool things in that. Researched some stuff about food from different cultures, national anthems from different cultures. So that was pretty cool. And then also one of my final projects about a country and how it dealt with human rights problems and the human rights problems that it made. And the one I had it on was Sweden. And the problem they had was that people coming into their country, they were trying to run away from something. And those people are called asylum seekers, refugees, and they wouldn't let them in a lot of times. So the people had to go back to their old countries, and some really bad stuff would happen to them.
What do you think I would like most about the class?
I think you would probably like the part about learning how to help in some ways, from learning about how you affect the world and how you can minimize your impact on stuff, to learning about organizations that help, whether they're government organizations, they're organizations that go through an entire continent, or they're just little organizations, or even just a group of people, and learning how you can help with them.
So how do you think that I would like the class too?
I think you would like learning about all the different culture stuff, learning about all the customs and the differences.
Was there anything that you thought was funny in the class?
I already answered that question. Anything else?
Nothing that I can think of. Me either.
Okay. Well, this has been my assignment for 903. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Again, my little sisters,